Me and my friend are at a construction site today. That's Parker.
What's up, bro?
Freaking gorgeous view, bro. Gorgeous view.
Hey, if y'all need some motherfucking chronic, I got you.
Nah,
Just leave
fine.
a comment down below, bro.
Yeah, leave a comment down below if you want chronic, bro. If you subscribe and if we can beat at least 5 likes on this video, we can go to another haunted or another construction site. I'm not popular.
Wait, hold on.
Mm.
Hey, if this video gets 1,000 likes, we will renovate a old abandoned church. And,
We'll probably do it no matter what, so.
but I'm just saying, top comment, if this video gets 1,000 fucking likes, and we will renovate and put one thing of whatever the top comment says in the church. We will put whatever they say. One thing though, like, cause I'm broke as fuck. Wait, no, scratch that. I'm selling Molly later today.
Whoa. We don't say that on YouTube.
Oh, yeah, this is not on YouTube.
This
But,
is a
like,
family friendly.
family friendly.
We do that later. But we do that. He does that. But other than that, we're at a construction site. Beautiful thing. See, we're up on the roof. Shit. I kind of want to find a construction hat, to be honest. Let's go, guys. And I'm a very bad editor, so you guys gotta deal with me. I'm gonna probably do videos just like this. We're gonna do also sleeping over at abandoned places, sleeping overnight at other people's houses that are haunted. It's gonna be wild, okay? Let's go. Oh, that's pretty good. That's safe. That's probably not safe. What? Huh? What?
Just give me the thing, bro.
What thing?
Doing something off camera right now, bro. Some behind the scenes.
Also, if we get 2,000 likes, we'll show you what the behind the scenes of this will be like. All right, guys? Oh my god. Hold up.
Bro, I look like a fucking crackhead.
You want to
Look like a crackhead outside Walmart, bro.
Hola. Let's go. Dude, we're never gonna be on the roof ever again, because if they're finished with this, we can only be in the apartment, so we can only go in some. But we gotta ask like people. It's a ladybug. Oh, it's a ladybug. Alright, let's go.